guys, another Marvel digital mystery box has been released. 105 images for as low as $22.49 if you have premium access.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
All right, guys, let me show you what's in this digital mystery box. Remember, once you purchase the mystery box, it's immediately in your account. You just come back to Design Space. You may have to sign out, sign back in, and you'll find them in your cartridges. So you just go to cartridges, type in Marvel, and you will see all the cartridges. So let's look at these. This is the Spider-Man cartridge. They have some new characters I don't know about. Spider-Girl. And these webs are really cool. And the Spider-Man icons, the logos. This looks like it was written. These are writing, and that's writing, and these are cut. Let's bring some of these into Design Space and look at those really fast. Okay, as you can see, this is so cool. This comes in a lot of pieces. Let's ungroup and see what we can do with these. Wow, so it gives real detail. You can take these off if you don't want all that detail. Wow, amazing. This writes these lines on here. So all of those lines on his red outfit are written. You guys have been asking for detail. They gave us detail. This is cool. You could attach that to any paper, have that written. This is really cool. I love that this is written. You could probably have it right on the layers too if you wanted to. That is awesome. Love that. So cool. And you can ungroup these. You can just use this Marvel for something else, even if you don't want the Spider-Man. This is amazing. Love it. All right, let's see what else is in this mystery box. Marvel Avengers Assembly Part 2. So we had a mystery box in the past and it was Part 1. So these are also cut files. If you want all that detail, but you don't want to do all those layers, you can make them all print then cut. You can make any image print and cut. Let's bring this in and let me show you what I mean. So here it is. Let's zoom in a little. So it has all these layers, but let's say I don't have all those colors of paper or vinyl. So what I want to do is print it out. All I have to do, well, to be a print and cut, you have to have it a little smaller because this is huge. We can hit the flatten button. That's all I have to do. Now this will be a print and cut. All just 2 pieces. And so it will cut out the outside. Isn't it awesome? Let's look at the other cartridge. It's Kawaii. These are so cute. Oh, I love that one. I always loved Spider-Man when I was a kid. They are so cute. So you get 105 images for $24.99. If you have premium access, you save 10%. My code does not work on digital images, so it will not work on this digital mystery box. Let's go back and find. So if you're on this screen, I'm going to click on images. This is how you find them after you purchase. They will not be here unless you purchase them through the digital mystery box. Okay, after you click images, it brings you to these images. Now to find the cartridges, you're going to click on cartridges right here at the top. If you're on an iPad or iPhone, it will be in a different place. But on the computer, it's right here. Click cartridges, type in the search, Marvel, and then you will see all the other Marvel things. This was the Marvel Assembly 1. And here we have Spider-Man, Spider-Man Kawaii, and Marvel Avengers Assembly Part 2. So they're the bottom 3 images are what's in the digital mystery box. If you bought the last mystery boxes, you may have some of these also. The link to purchase is below in the description. So by using that link, I do get a very small commission, and it helps my channel and it helps me be able to help you. I appreciate it when you use my link. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next video in just a little while. Bye.